Have you noticed how some of life's expenses tend to take priority, while others get put on hold? Meeting routine costs can leave important things stuck at the bottom of the list, and an unexpected bill can really make a mess of your finances. A FirstPlus homeowner loan can help you get your finances back on track by rearranging any existing credit into one low monthly repayment. You could borrow anything from £5,000 to £100,000 at a competitive rate like this. And you can spread your repayments over 5 to 25 years to find a monthly payment that suits you. It's quick and easy to arrange, so call FirstPlus today on 0800 052 6000 or visit firstplus.co.uk and stay on top of your finances.